out there, huh?
What are you doing? Shut the door. You're gonna let all the bugs inside.
It's shut, okay? No harm done.
Good.
Ah, he was right. I let bugs in the house, and this one's as heavy as a hamster. Wow.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh, it just stuck its sucker into me. It's sucking my blood and it hurts. Get it together, Jesse. I can't let Mike know I let a mosquito inside.
That is the biggest mosquito I have ever seen in my life.
Well, that hurts. Oh, God. I'm feeling lightheaded. I think I need some assistance before I pass out.
I guess I should help.
Good, he heard me. Can you hurry up?
You stay completely still, Jesse. Your brother Mike is gonna save the day.
You kill this mosquito. You kill it good.
You ready? Take that! Take that! You like it? You like it? I don't like it. It's dead now. Did you hear it crunch?
That wasn't the mosquito crunching. It was my hand. I just poked myself.